At some point, I realized the problem wasn't me, it was the clothes. So I stopped buying new clothes almost entirely. And what happened next has been so much fun. Thrifting doesn't just save me money, it has unlocked the world to real quality and true luxury in my clothes. Today, I'm sharing why I quit buying new clothes, what I discovered instead, and the simple system I now use to build an elegant, timeless wardrobe that I absolutely love on a dime. Everything looks good online, but in real life, so often the fabric feels wrong, the fit is off, you get it in the mail, and it just isn't the quality that you were hoping for or expecting from the picture online. And then within months, it's pilling, or a seam has come out, or it just doesn't look great, and there it goes to the back of the closet. It certainly feels like most new clothes today aren't made to last, even the expensive ones. Fabrics are thinner, natural fibers are out, and there's a lot of blends, and the blends pill and they stretch and they lose shape. Construction shortcuts are everywhere. I'd open something I'd ordered from an online shop and immediately notice that the buttons were cheap, that there was no lining, that the fabric was scratchy, even when the price made me think it was going to be a premium product. Sizing is unpredictable. One brand's mediums, another small. I don't want to spend money getting things tailored because that just adds to the expense of a garment that already doesn't look great. And then I do worry about the constant we just buy so many clothes, and my wardrobe was bursting at the seams, and yet I felt like I had nothing to wear, and like I was constantly shopping, especially with my phone. It's a real vice I have to get out my phone and just shop. Not even necessarily to buy, just window shop. But I wanted clothes that felt considered and intentional and like they belonged in a long life and not just a season. My perspective changed the first time I thrifted a truly well-made piece. I remember holding it and thinking, this is so different. The fabric is heavy, the seams are precise, the buttons were beautiful. And that's when the light bulb moment happened, and I realized that I could access brands and craftsmanship that I just couldn't, or that frankly aren't even available anymore at modern price points. Older garments used to be made to last a long time, and many of them still look beautiful today. I think that if you live anywhere, there's beautiful garments to be had. You just have to look. And when you thrift intentionally, you're not settling, you're actually upgrading, and you're learning about fabric. You learn to read labels, you learn to recognize quality instantly, you develop your eye. Instead of owning a closet full of a bunch of things that it's just okay, that you feel meh in, you own fewer, but everything you put on makes you feel like $1 million. So over time, I stopped shopping randomly and I started shopping strategically. I realized that for each season, I only need about 10 core pieces to create a wardrobe, and they don't need to be trends. They're like foundations. So I'm going to show you a few of them. A cashmere sweater, the kind that softens with wear. A waxed cotton jacket that gets better with age, that you can re-wax. Wool trousers, high waist with wide legs that hold their shape beautifully. Tall walking boots with tassels, beautifully made in Spain. A silk scarf that elevates everything. Every piece that comes into my wardrobe now has to earn its place by its quality, its versatility, and its longevity. Once you know what to look for and which brands consistently deliver for you, shopping becomes peaceful and a joy. You stop scrolling, you stop impulse buying, and you start building something that feels like you, an extension of your personality in your wardrobe. If this way of dressing speaks to you, I've put my entire system into a guide. I'm working on it. It's not out yet, but it will include a full 15-piece list of core items, brand recommendations, exact search terms, outfit formulas. It's for women who are done with disposable fashion, ready for a wardrobe that feels enchanted, grounded, lasting. If you'd like to sign up to get on the wait list to know when it's done, I've got a lovely freebie for you in the description. It's a quick list it's called the Thrifted Luxury Quality Checklist. It's a quick 10-point quality test that you could screenshot and pull out whenever you need it to teach you to start training your eye to recognize quality, whether you're shopping in a thrift store or a department store or a trendy boutique. And then there's also a page of instant no's, things that you know to say no to 100% of the time. So go ahead and grab that yummy freebie, and as soon as I have the entire guide ready, I will definitely let you all know. I'm really excited about it, and I think you all are going to enjoy it a lot. Thank you so much for watching, and please make sure to like and subscribe so you can follow along and get more ideas about how to build a timeless, quiet, luxurious wardrobe.